Welcome to the English Dictation Hub. For better experience and understanding, you might pause the video how many times you need. Pay attention carefully to the following monologue.
Hello, my name is John. I live in a small house with my family. I have a cat and a dog. The cat's name's Molly, and the dog's name's Max. I like to read books in the evening. My favorite color is blue, but I also like green. Every morning, I drink coffee and eat toast. I go to work by bus. It is a big blue bus. At work, I talk to many people. After work, I like to go for a walk in the park. On the weekend, I visit my friends. We play games, watch movies, and talk a lot. Sometimes we eat pizza or hamburgers. I love pizza with cheese and tomatoes. In my free time, I also listen to music. I like rock music and pop music. At night, I go to bed early because I wake up early. I enjoy my life and my daily routine.
Way to go! The whole transcription is on the fixed comment right on this video. Please correct it now and let us know whether you have any questions.